Well, I was going all gung-ho, and then my battery died. It said the battery was exhausted. Well, I was exhausted by the time my battery was exhausted. So I made my, what do you call it? Dazzling Diamonds embossing powder, clear embossing powder mixture. Now I'm just trying to remember where I was. So I will take this, let's put it on here. I have that green paper on there because I had to do something else in the meantime. And that's what I stuck on there. So we'll take our clear mark. Let's bring this down a little bit closer. Stamping my stamp, covering it up. Forgot to use the embossing buddy, that guy little bag thing. So I will do that on all the rest of them. There we go. Not a big deal though, I'm using clear. So I'll do these two and then I'll put the powder on. Okay. So let's get these two powdered up. Where are they? Oh, I think they're these two. Resign yourself to getting glitter everywhere when you work with glitter. When I first started card making, I didn't have any glitter in my supplies. And I was thrilled that I was not going to have glitter everywhere. And then somebody was selling some, I think was it WOW glitter? Or they were just selling, or I can't remember the name of the company. They were selling a huge amount of glitter for like $15. And they were like $5 a bottle. And I got a whole bunch, so I gave in and gave up on the idea that I would have a glitter-free craft area. And now when I work with glitter, I just embrace the glitter. It's much easier than being frustrated because it's everywhere. There's a whole pile of it right here beside my thing from earlier. Okay. Now we will glitter up the other two. This is a mixture of embossing powder and Dazzling Diamonds glitter. You can see that it does not take away from your stamping. And I will heat up the glue gun and the paper, and I start from the underside to get it partially melted. Because if I were just to come now right with the, even if this was heated up, if I went right like this, it would start blowing glitter, because glitter is not actually glued on, it's kind of like sitting on top. So here comes the noise. I'm trying to make it look like something's happening. Nothing's happening. It's just heating up. I like to curl my paper under first, and then I'll move to the top and curl it over. You see it taking shape there. And I'm moving my heat tool underneath. Getting little circles and stuff. Now just quick zap on the top. Make sure I've got everything covered. And then I just kind of always look at it at an angle just to make sure that there's no dullness, because that would mean that it didn't heat. So, can you see? Ooh, there's a really pretty one. I wonder if you can see the glitter though. It's very pretty, huh? So that is what I do for some of my stamping. I want a bold font. You don't want anything that's delicate because it just really does not show up. It doesn't show up as well on that little word as it does on these bigger words. And I like to just fade my colors just for fun. Makes them a little bit more interesting. They won't go with every card, but they will go with some cards. This is the one I did earlier before the battery was exhausted. So I hope you like this little hint, a little way to make your own glitter. Won't you visit us on our Facebook group, in our Facebook group, All Things Cards. And until next time, please like and subscribe if you liked and you'd like to subscribe. And I look forward to talking to you again and sharing more tips. Thank you for watching, and may God richly bless you.